Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. My name is Muhammad Imran bin Muhammad Sasuddin. I am going to present my final year project, Early Intervention Developmental Disorders Diagnosis System. According to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in 2019, there are 13 developmental disabilities, and this project will only cover 3 of them, which are ADHD, which is Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, Autism, Learning Disorder, and there is Dyslexia under Learning Disorder. These 3 disabilities may overlap towards each other. The problem is that parent is unable to recognize their child is having developmental disorders from home. Most parents and teachers are unaware and do not even know the existence of this kind of developmental disorders, and they are unable to confirm children with developmental disorders by themselves. Even if they approach and seek for tests for their children at any healthcare organization, they need to wait several weeks for the result after the day of the test. The hidden victims of abuse and discriminations are children with a specific learning impairment. The normal people around them are making their education more distressing to add to their suffering. The solution provided is that an online web-based system for parent and teacher to answer a set of questions to diagnose the child. The reason why this system needs 2 answers to produce the result is because, based on research study, kids with developmental disorders, their attitude may be different with different environment. They may look like a normal kid at home but not at school. So the system will get the 2 test results and produce the outputs. So this is the system flow for the system. There are 3 sets of questions that are combined to become a single test. That single test needs to be answered by both parent and teacher. Parent needs to answer the test first. Once parent has completed the test, the system will display the test code to parent, and parent needs to share the test code to the teacher so that the teacher can answer the same test for the same child. After teacher has completed the test, an email notification will be sent to parent to notify that the teacher has already answered the test and the result is ready in the system. The system will then produce 2 outputs. The first output is similarity percentage based on 2 answers from parent and teacher. This output uses truth table concept. If both answers are same for the same question, the value is 1, which is true, and in the end, the total same answers will be divided by the total question and multiply by 100 to get the percentage. The second output is the test result. The result is calculated using average score for both parent and teacher. Based on these 2 outputs, the conclusion that can be made is the higher the similarity percentage, the higher the accuracy of the test result. This is the use case diagram for the system. There are 9 use cases and 2 actors. Only parent that can register the child and view the result. Teacher can only join the test, and after the test has been joined, system will send email notification to the parent.
Okay, so this is for the first page. This is for the login form, and if the user want to create the account, they can click here. So this is for the register part. So we proceed to login as parent first. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is for the child registration. So we will proceed to register a new child. So I see number 6. Name is Adif. So register success. So we will answer the test for the child. So there are 40 questions. We need to choose which child we want to test. We want to take the test for. So we'll take for Alif and answer all the 40 questions. I will just answer it randomly. Okay, submit. So wait for the loading part. So this is the test ID 181. So parent need to give this test ID to the teacher, but they can get this test ID in the list here. So here 181. So there are 2 tests that has not been taken by their teacher yet, so they cannot see the result. So next we will proceed to log in as teacher. Please log in as teacher. It's dashboard for teacher. Teacher only can join a test. So they need to insert the test ID just now. So 1811. So this is the detail for the test. We will join this test and answer all the 40 questions. These questions are just the same question as that parent answered just now. Okay, next submit. This part is gonna take a little bit times because the system is calculating the result and sending the email notification to this child's parent. Okay, done. So we will proceed to log in as parent. And for the list of tests, so here Alif 181, join yes. So for the result, okay, so there are 2 outputs, similarity percentage and the result. And also they can print the result. So this is the report for the result. This is the answer based on both answers. And they can print it here. Okay, I think that's all for the system part.
So this is the email notification received by the parent.